All right, MarshD, tell the good people out there in internet land what we're going to be doing today.
We are going to try to fight to this glove with this bottle.
All right, let's show them what we're working with.
One bottle, one glove, vinegar, baking soda, turkey baster, or funnel. Let's not forget the rubber band because we need to get the glove and put it on the bottle.
We're doing the balloon mystery today. If you haven't seen this before, we're basically going to be taking all this stuff and we're going to inflate that guy with this guy. How do we do that? What is that called, Marshall?
That's called when we make, when we mix these together, it's going to make chemical reaction. It's going to keep going up and up, and it's going to create air to the glove.
Awesome. Chemical reactions. And Yoppsquad likes to do a little bit different. You can use a balloon there, but we like to keep things a little crazy. We're going to use a surgical glove. Alright, so step one, we're going to take, bing, 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 our teaspoon, and we're going to get 3 teaspoons of baking soda out, and we're going to put them in this glove right here. Alright, let's get that baking soda in there.
There's only one good, Daddy.
Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to make sure all of this baking soda is down in the bottom of this, because after we get it onto the bottle, we're going to flip it over, and we're going to make sure all that baking soda falls down into our vinegar. So our next step is going to be putting the vinegar in. So what we're going to do a little bit differently here, since we only have a turkey baster and not a funnel, is we're going to put our vinegar into our measuring cup, 1/3 cup. And then MarshD is going to take this here turkey baster, suck it up, and then put it in our bottle. What you think about that vinegar, man? How's it smell?
Do you want to smell it?
It's a pretty strong smell. I'm okay. I know what it smells like. I'm going to hold off. So
Okay.
let's get this poured in here.
Careful. We do this.
Oh, man. Oh, Lord, don't spill it. This house won't stop stinking if you do. Here, I'm going to hold the bottom just to be safe. Pour it right to that line. Good job. All right. So now we're going to proceed to take the turkey baster and suck it up and then put it in the bottle. Squeeze real hard, Marshall. All righty. Suck it all the way up. Oh, you don't have to suck every bit of it up. We can do it in multiple steps. This guy. And then right in there into the bottle.
Hold it down. Whoa.
Yeah, you got to be careful with turkey basters. This is skills Marshall's developing here. He will be a turkey basting champion one day. Alright, suck up some more. Look at that. That's that Venturi effect. You guys will learn about that in science class later in life. There you go. Let's get you a little more. Alright, and we'll come back to this on our next step. Alright, in our next step, we're going to take this here balloon, which is a glove in our case. We're going to fit it on our bottle, and then we've got to take a rubber band, and we've got to put it around it. That way we make a nice seal. If you have an actual balloon, it'll fit on there without much issue, but we're going to make sure that this thing is nice and tight. We'll be right back when that's done. Alright, so we've got our glove affixed to our bottle. And now, Marshall, tell us what you are observing with the bottle and the glove in its current state.
My dad sealed it tight because I obviously can't do it that tight. So, and when he did it so tight for this side right here, it doesn't all fall down. It's sealed good. Now we're gonna flip this up. It's gonna dump, and let's see what happens.
Okay, stay tuned. Alrighty, this is for all the money here, MarshD. Proceed to dump that baking soda in and let's see what happens. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it down in there. Oh, well, hold on. Let me help him out here. Let's see. Oh, there's some. Keep on shaking. Shake it all down into there. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it. Oh, man. Oh, man. Look at that. It says high five. Boom. How about that? Yeah. It says high five. That's science, guys. Wow. All right, Marshall, tell the good people out there in internet land what you're observing now. What happened?
Okay, when I poured the baking soda in, when it fell, the baking soda and the vinegar made a chemical reaction to make air coming up inside the ham.
Do you remember what that air was called? Carbon dioxide. So there we go. Using baking soda and vinegar to make chemical reactions happen. MarshD, give me a high five. Booyah. And give a high five right here to the balloon. Or the glove in our case. And it's still reacting.
Oh, there's a little bit in this.
There's a little bit in there. Alright, Yoppsquad Adventures. Not gaming with MarshD, experimenting with MarshD.